Choose the options to personalize the time schedule print. Use dates and the start of works as time references. Choose to print, in addition to tables, the time schedule and the relating financial plan. Specify the time schedule size percentage to optimize its layout in the document. Specify the minimum percentage of the page to be occupied by the financial plan. Choose the activity data to copy to the time schedule. Also copy the activities and their relating bars to the time schedule. And print a time schedule relating to a specific period.